In this video, we're going to practice creating an assignment. So starting here in the classwork tab, we've already practiced creating material. Most of those steps are duplicated for making an assignment. So we'll go up to create. We'll drop down to our very first option, which is assignment. So here we can enter the assignment name. I'm just going to say test assignment. We could enter our instructions here. Then you can attach a template assignment, so like a Google Doc, for instance, if needed, by going to Google Drive. If you wanted to link a video or any practice sets or other links that students might need for this assignment, you could attach those here. Then once this is all set, you'll come over. You'll select the period or periods you want this assignment in. You'll select its due date by clicking here and selecting a date. You can select this option here to close submissions after the due date, which means once the due date is over, students will no longer be able to submit. Then you would go to topic. We want this in Q1. And then we can set our points. Now, when we're looking at points, make this mirror whatever the Synergy gradebook says the assignment is worth. You do not need to worry about setting a grade category or grading period because our grading occurs in Synergy. Now, you can also add a rubric. If you have one that you would like to convert over, you can select that option here. You can create one yourself here in Google Classroom. Once you already have an existing one that you've used, you could reuse it if it's a similar assignment, or you can always import from Google Sheets. I'm not going to add one now. We can also select the check plagiarism for originality if we would like. Now, before we assign, we want to make sure that we have selected all of our options, our class, our due date, the topic it will be organized under, our points. Oh, one thing I did forget. For all of our assignment titles, we would like to number them. So that way, when we have the assignments listed in classwork, we can make sure that they are in order for the students. So that way they can quickly find assignments that need to be submitted, or if they are missing one, it's easy for you and the student and their guardians to locate that assignment to get that submitted. But now that we have everything done, I'm going to come up here to my assign options. I can assign this right now. I can schedule when I would like it to automatically assign, or I can always save as a draft and use later. I'm just going to go ahead and click assign. And now you'll see my test assignment has been added under the Q1 topic. And that is how you create an assignment.